As we have been working on the house, the barn has been on the bit of a back burner. If you've been with us since the beginning, you will know that when we purchased this property, this barn was full of about 2 feet of manure. We quickly had the majority of it removed and cleaned out all the random junk that made this place look like a dump. The webs and the dust still need a good pressure wash. That is the project that we will be working on today.
All right, so we're gonna start cleaning out the barn. At least I am. The kids are off at co-op. I've started pulling everything outside. Got a trailer full of stuff I just got from my brother's house, so I gotta get it. Have to get it unloaded, but I'm gonna move most of this stuff out and I'm gonna start blowing it. So I got hopefully this will help me not get sick. Psh, who knows? Anyway, that's what the plan is right now. See how well that goes. I think it'll get a lot of it. The dust out of here. Maybe a lot of these big old spider webs can blow off instead of pressure washing it first. I'd rather blow everything out and off first and then pressure wash, because I think it would make a much worse of a mess than I would anticipate. All right, well, I'll show you the progress, maybe some time lapse, and then we'll see from there. So this is what we have so far. Man, if you look at it, so much better. A lot of the spider webs are down. You know. It did a majority of a lot of it. I mean, there's still tons left. Still dirty. Still some up in the top of the rafters. I haven't got inside the stalls yet, so that's kind of a before and then after. It's a disgusting, messy job. Can't wait to take a shower. And here's another stall. We've been trying to dig it out there. There's so much of it. Hope we can get it back to normal someday. It's gonna take a while, that's for sure. All right, talk at you later. So we're starting to pressure wash the barn. Melanie's doing it because she's been dying to do it, and I'm gonna let her. Pressure washing kind of terrible though. Yeah, you need a ladder?
I need a ladder.
Nolan's getting you a ladder.
Okay.
He's getting it clean. Well, the pressure washing is almost done. The walls are done. Ceilings are done. So bright, so white. Stall walls are done, front and back. Still have to go on the inside and finish those, but we did the back side of the wood. And now I've done these floors. A lot of stains. This is soaking in bleach, outdoor bleach stuff for the floors. This one's done. It's all been done, but a lot of stains. Can't get rid of that, but that's all right. I love it. Can't believe we had manure up to here. I believe that's about 1.5 feet. So, yeah, it's all gone, and now we're pressure washing. It's gonna be great.